Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Smock here with me, and we're gonna do a scale swap because I've got these guys over here. Look at the pretty cool packaging. These are sharp dressed knives scales. Brian sent these scales for free for the channel, to support the channel, and I'm gonna do a giveaway with these two guys just to help growing this channel. And you can check his website right over here. He's doing some pretty neat scales, and he donated these Smock carbon fiber scales. You can see they're marked STK in the back, just to support, as I said. And we're gonna see how they look and how they compare up against the factory one. I mean, right off the bat, they're pretty nice. They look and feel nicer for sure. So let's get started and let's just swap them. All right, so we're gonna need a T10, I guess, for this pivot right over here. Actually, no, that's going to be a T8, right? Yeah, it's going to be a T8 right here, and let's go. So pivot, not spinning, which is always a good thing. In this case, the Smock has two detents inside, and one I know has been removed already. So let's see if we wanna put it back together or not. Probably not. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna make it quicker. Just let me see. So there's another one here. Because I already disassembled this guy, but I don't remember. Oh yeah, so from the back like that, sure. So here, this is out. Pretty straightforward, just two handle screws with the Torx bit T6 and just one T8 for the. Oh yeah. We need to undo the clip as well, which is coming with 3 screws. Right? I think so, yeah. Anyways, we need to disassemble it anyways if we want to swap the scales. So this is good. This is an MXG clip, by the way. It's not the original one. And yeah, there you go. So this is out. Very good. This is out as well. What I like about these is that the standoffs are keyed in. The pivot is stopping, is keyed in. The pivot is keyed in. Everything is not spinning, which is going to be pretty easy for a reassemble. Very nice. And let's just take this swab over here just to clean up the inside of these scales. This is a nice compression lock, by the way. It looks like a button lock or something, but it's not. It's just like compression lock with a button attached to the side, and it works beautifully, I have to say. Stainless steel liners, really nice. All right, so that is nice and clean. Let's also clean the inside of this stop pin track. Nicely done. Also inside here. And let's do a thorough cleaning of this guy as well, because it needed it a little bit. Really nice. Nicely made bearing pockets right there. You can see the double detent track over here, the dual detent ball holes, and there's a little bit of okay, very good. So this is pretty clean now, nice. And let's just do this. I really appreciate the ball bearings caged in like a metal cage. I don't know if it's bronze or what, but I really do like that. All right, so stop pin is out, standoffs are out. That is the lanyard hole, and these scales are out. Then we have also like another, this is a key in pivot, which is really useful to align the scales. Okay, very good. So we are good to go over here, guys, and we are gonna need this one over here, like so. I already can see it aligns beautifully. Very cool. So that is gonna be in, and this is gonna be like so. That's very nice. And let's do the pivot, which is right over here, and it just goes like here, like so. Nice. And then we've got our bearings, and we're gonna do just a little bit of 10 weight nano oil. This guy right over here, just a little dot here and here, and just a little bit right over here. Very nice. This is in place. So let's do this guy like that. I guess this might be all right from this side over here. Let's see if I'm doing it right, because I honestly don't remember. I already disassembled this guy, but let's see. Also, this goes like this. There's only one way this guy can go, and this is the second handle screw, which goes right over here. We're gonna do the clip after, don't worry about that for now. And the lanyard tube is in, and the pivot goes actually here, because this side only is keyed in. As you can see, this is gonna go right over here. So this side here is not keyed in, so probably it's better to try to keep it here. Let's see, how are we going to do this one? This is clean, so this guy is in like so. Very nice. We're gonna do a little bit of a nano oil right over here. Very good, and bearing is in like so. Beautiful. Really, really nice. And then we're not gonna do the, we're not gonna do the second detent ball, because let's see if we can do something like passing this through. Let's see if it's doable. Like that should be easier for sure, if this goes all the way through, which is going. And pretty straightforward, guys. This is looking already good, much nicer than the original scales, I have to say, because this is like real carbon fiber. That carbon fiber right there, it's probably not like as nice as this one, I have to say. You know what, let's use just a little touch of this blue Loctite right over here, just like so, just around, just to feel kind of like the thread. See, that's plenty. And then this guy is gonna be in like so. We're gonna adjust everything after. Okay, so okay, this is looking actually pretty good. There's no blade play. That is very good. Let me see with this clip mounted how it's gonna look. And maybe if we use some smaller bit, it's gonna be easier, right? Because these are T6 as well. Like this. Yeah, very nice. Let's align the holes like so. And oops. They are smoother for sure. They look very nicely done, guys. So I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna do the giveaway, because I have no experience, and this was the first gifted item for the channel, which made me feel like awesome and so happy that somebody's like supporting the channel. It's incredible, guys. So there you go. All right. I think these scales, they look much nicer than these, because they're smooth, first of all. This is there's a little bit more texture on these ones, and these are really nicely done. It's there's more contouring for sure. The chamfering is nicer, and in the hand it actually feels smoother. It's a nice feeling, guys. I actually am digging this one. Very, very interesting. So there you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the upcoming giveaway.